welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rickens, aka Rickens. And today I am going to be giving pretty much a life update because I know I post very randomly and I'm gonna change that. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna get my phone because I wrote down notes and I just want to explain everything and then yeah.
What an embarrassment.
Oh, so before we start, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and here we go. So the first thing I want to talk about, my hair is different. I got an undercut. So I'm gonna show you, it's grown out a little bit because, like I said, I've been away, but so I'll tell you who they is in a second. But yeah, so I have an undercut. It's all the way to the back and the sides. And the reason that I got this haircut was because I did a campaign for Diva Curl.
What? Child. Anyway, so.
And wait for it. This clip that I'm about to show you, I've been waiting to use this clip ever since I started this channel. So.
Fancy living, here we come.
There, boom. So just so y'all know, I have been editing all the videos that I've filmed. So let's just start with that. I've been actually filming videos and content since the beginning of the year. I think I said this in a previous video. I hate editing. I hate editing. Well, okay. I hate it less now. I don't know why. Well, I think I like it now because I'm looking back on like my past self earlier in the year with like my little fro and all that stuff, and it's really cute and it's really fun, and I'm actually having a good time editing those. We'll see if that continues. Well, no. Actually, no, we're not saying that. We're not gonna say that. It will continue. It will continue.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
So I am actually actively filming stuff as we speak. So I am going to be on top of that. What else? Oh, so the reason I haven't been uploading. I haven't been uploading. So this year, if you know me, you know that I am a singer, dancer. And for a really long time, I couldn't sing, I didn't have a voice because of something that happened in the past. And so this year is the first year that I'm really getting back into it, and I've been having a lot of fun, and I've been really just focusing on that. So the first thing that I did this year was America's Got Talent. I will probably put up a video of that performance. But yeah, that was the first thing. Super exciting, super fun. I might make a video about that. I don't know. Don't look forward to it. Don't look. Yeah, I said it right. Right?
You
Don't. What am I trying to say? You know what? Who cares? Anyways, the next thing I did was I did a Motown show called Motown Forever in Atlantic City, and I did that for a couple of months, and that was super fun. And I'll probably put up some clips about that as well. And so now I have been doing a couple things actually. So I am currently in a wedding band. So I've been doing a lot of wedding singing, going to people's weddings, and I'm the singer, essentially. And then the other thing that I've been doing is actually I've been doing some hair modeling. And the reason, like I said before, the reason that my hair is cut like this is because I did a modeling campaign for Diva Curl. And I know that people are gonna be like, you did what? You did, huh? Why would you do that?
Let me say something.
Stop. Stop it. Stop it right now. Cut it. Leave it alone. I actually had a really great time. Probably one of the best creative experiences that I've ever had. And I've done it twice now. I've worked with them twice now, and like I cannot wait for the next time that I do work with them, because that team, they're great. So, which leads me to my next thing. I have my first PR package. Yep, I'm official. Thank you. Give me my flowers. Give me my roses. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I am going to unbox that now. Give me like 1 second. I just need to check to see if there was anything else I wanted to say. Okay. Depending on when this comes out, I either already uploaded a video about Diva Curl using their new products, or I haven't. So I'm going to go into this saying that I haven't yet, because in this current timeline, yikes, I haven't even edited that video yet. So I'm probably gonna release this first, and then release the one where I actually use the products. So, and actually, I'm gonna have 2 Diva Curl videos, because they sent me two different packages with different stuff. Actually, I'm gonna have 3 videos. I'm a liar.
But why y'all got to lie? I just hit an Ariana Grande note, bitch.
We know this. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the products right now, and I'm just gonna go through them one by one. So the first box that I have, it's actually really cute. It's lime green or whatever, electric green. I don't know what kind of green this is. My boyfriend probably knows, but who cares?
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on.
So it says, Diva Curl, live your curls. From natural texture to braids, twists, knots, or blowouts. So yeah, new formula, dermatologist co-developed and backed by science. So if you've been on their website recently or seen any videos about Diva Curl lately at all, you know that they reformulated all their products, and they have been working with dermatologists and all that stuff to make sure that the products are good. So they sent me, I have this little piece of paper, Diva Curl, innovative, dermatologist co-developed, stylist approved. This is Diva Curl, period. And then I have this little pamphlet that has literally every single Diva Curl product and like the explanation for them and when to use them, how to use them, blah blah blah. So in this box I have the recoiling mild lather cleanser. Hopefully that shows. If it doesn't, you will see it later. So I have the recoiling cream conditioner. I have the recoiling treatment mask, the Curl Bond, which I'm the most excited to use this one. And then the Curl Bond recoiling split end serum. Yeah, y'all can't see that. I don't think so. Anyways, it doesn't matter. You're gonna see it again, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so they have this whole new Curl Bond thing. I feel like a lot of companies are doing it now, where they wanna like help rebuild people's structure. I think Olaplex kind of like shook the table a little bit, and everybody's like, ooh, how do we do that? So it's cool. I'm excited. I haven't used these yet, so I'm very excited to use it. Y'all know me already. The cleanser, I'm probably not gonna bang with that one as much as I would like, just because it's mild and it probably has like a low lather and all that stuff, so I don't know. I'm very excited for the Curl Bond, like the actual like treatment though. So anyways, moving on. So in this new box. In this box, I have this Diva Twist Anti-Frizz microfiber towel wrap. This looks really cute. I don't have anything like this, so I'm very interested to see how this works with my hair because I do my hair on soaking wet hair anyway. So I don't know, I actually don't know how I'm gonna use this, if I'm being honest. Like I rarely do my hair on damp hair, so I don't know. I have the Wash Day Wonder time-saving slip detangler. I think I've used this in the video that I recorded that I have with Diva Curl already. I'm pretty sure I used that, and I'm pretty sure I actually do like it. It's like a co-wash, and it has great slip and all that good stuff. So I'm actually happy that I have that. I have the plumping primer. Oh, also, I asked for these. So that after I did my shoots and stuff, they were like, oh, you're a part of the Diva community. Oh my goodness, New York gets on my nerves. Okay. So after I worked for them, they were like, hey, you're a part of the Diva community now. If you want anything, let us know. So everything that I'm showing you right now, I asked for. So if you've ever used this, the plumping primer, if you use the old one, I hope to God that this is similar to the old one, because this was my favorite product from them. Like, this was a staple, and I hope that it's still a staple because ooh, it was so good. I don't know what they put in there. I hope some of it is in this because I know it's reformulated, but oh God, please let it be fire because it was so good. This is the Super Cream. Yeah, I can't see that. I have the Leave-In Decadence. Yeah, I'm not even gonna like try to make the camera focus because I think it's too bright. The lights are too bright and I don't feel like changing that. So I'm gonna leave a list down below. Maybe, I don't know. I'm back. Embarrassing. What did I say? What is this? Y'all, I'm still a mess. Nothing has changed, okay? The only thing that's changed about me is my hair. Go figure.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
So this is the Flex Factor. I don't even know what this is. I think this is a gel. I think this counts as a gel. Curl Protection and Retention Primer. I have no idea what that means. I literally have no idea what this means. Oh, actually, this looks like a heat protectant. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use that. I've been experimenting with heat all year, so you might, I don't know how many videos I have with me using heat. Probably none. So I'll try to change that. I have, whoa, joking. I have the Super Mousse Coconut Oil Infused Volumizer right here. I've been actually experimenting with mousses and foams, so I'm actually really excited to use that because I didn't think my hair would go for mousses or foams because they're like light and whatever, but like my hair actually really likes foams. I know my hair likes foams. That's gonna be the first mousse I've used, so I'm excited to use that. Yes, I'm not lying. I don't think. I don't know. I don't remember. What else is in here? This is the High Shine Anti-Frizz Nourishing Oil. And then my last two products are deep conditioners. So this is the Heaven and Hair. I've seen Denise Adore use this, and she said that this is amazing. Like, this is like, if you want moisture, this is the one. Oh wait, is it? Actually, I don't know. Because I also have the Melt into Moisture right here. I don't remember. I actually, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's the Heaven and Hair. It's in a different package, which is why I don't remember which one it is, but I'm almost positive it's Heaven and Hair. Don't quote me, don't at me, leave me alone. But yeah, either way, I'm excited to use these. I did ask for a gel. That one, for whatever reason, didn't come, but it is coming. So as soon as I get that one, I will be making a video with these because I'm happy for the products that they sent me before, but these are the ones that I actually specifically requested. So I'm very excited to use these. So actually, let me check to see if I have any more notes. Hold on. Oh, actually, yes. So, because I do have videos from the beginning of the year, I am going to be uploading them. I'm going to be uploading those on Fridays, kind of like a flashback Friday kind of thing, just because it just felt like that made sense to me. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna try to post my most current stuff on Wednesdays. So my upload days are gonna be Wednesdays and Fridays until I don't have any more videos for the Fridays. And then once I don't have any more older videos, I am going to, I think my upload day is gonna be Friday. I think. Don't quote me, don't at me, leave me alone. Final thing, if you are wondering about my hair, there is a video coming out about it. I used Unicurl to do my hair, and I actually love it. I love the way my hair looks, right? But I think I used too much and it flaked. So there will be a second video coming out with me using Unicurl because I do want to try it again. Oh, I don't even think, this is not a wash and go, by the way. Just in case you weren't impressed enough, right? This is not a wash and go. This is a twist out, okay? Hello, twist out? Yes, yes, headbang, period. Period! Look at it, look at it!
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! I want all of you to look at it!
Look at it!
I did it. So look forward to me doing videos with twist outs in them. What else? Maybe braid outs, maybe twade outs. I don't know. I just got twist outs down. So like, give me a minute, right? Anyways, I feel like this video is definitely gonna be way too long, but it's fine. It's an update. I can do whatever I want. Period. Period! Anyways, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those fun YouTube things. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.